Hey guys, Tony over at Metro Lexus here to give you a quick tutorial on how to set the reverse dip mirrors on the Lexus RX. Now when you want to activate the reverse dip mirrors, on your side mirror controls here, you have to make sure one of these are selected, whether it be the left or the right, it doesn't matter, make sure one of them's green. Okay, so for example, I'll pick the left one, so that way whenever I go in reverse, it's going to dip the mirrors down so that way you can better see the ground. Now let's say you ever have to adjust these mirrors, so that way if you need to look even further down, you just simply adjust the mirrors as if you normally would while you're sitting still. And then if we go back into park, it moves them up. Now the next time we go into reverse, it'll move them back down to where they were set before. Thank you for enjoying today's Tech Tip with Tony. If you ever have any questions on the Lexus RX or any of the other Lexus models, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Myself, Tony, and Skyler, who is actually sitting here behind me, are always here to help you with any questions. So please, if you want, come home to Metro Lexus and experience amazing with us.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.